Hello, I'm very excited to read our new book for today, Grumpy Monkey, Up All Night. You'll remember we read another Monkey book, and I just got it from the library. It's got the new sticker, and it's written by Suzanne Lang and illustrated by Max Lang. Let's see if they give us any hints on the back. Oh, it says, "Why is it a sleepover when everyone is up all night?" Might explain why he's grumpy. Grumpy Monkey, up all night. Early in the evening, just about supper time, Norman heard a whole lot of whooping and hollering next door. "What is the ruckus, Norman?" asked his neighbor Chimpanzee. "I'm so excited," Jim exclaimed. "I'm going to a sleepover at my parents' house." "My whole family will be there. Mom, Dad, my big sisters Anna and Nan." "Who's that?" asked Norman. "Oh yeah, my little brother Tim," grumbled Jim. "But never mind. It'll still be fun." "Sleepovers are a good time," agreed Norman. "I wouldn't drink punch too close to bedtime," Norman advised. "Bedtime!" exclaimed Jim. "Nobody sleeps at a sleepover. We're going to stay up all night." "Sounds fun," said Norman. "Mind if I tag along?" A little later, they arrived at the tree where Jim's parents lived. "It's my little grumpy monkey," Jim's mom cried as she gave him a hug. "I'm so happy to see you." "Mom," moaned Jim, "I'm not little, and I'm not a monkey. I'm an ape." Jim's mom smiled and ruffled his fur. "But you sure are grumpy," she said. "No, I'm not," Jim scowled. "I like your mom," Norman said. "No fair. You didn't say we could bring a friend," said a voice coming down the path. "Who's that?" asked Norman. "Tim," explained Jim's family. "I thought you said your little brother," said Norman. "I had a growth spurt," said Tim. "What should we do first?" asked Jim's mom. Everyone answered at once. "Termite fishing. Pick fleas off each other. Bob for mangoes." "I know," said Tim. "Measure each of us to see who's the tallest." "Maybe our guest should choose," suggested Jim's dad, turning to Norman. "It's a tough decision," said Norman. "It all sounds fun." "Don't worry," said Anne. "There'll be plenty of time to do everything because we're going to stay up all night," cheered Jim and his siblings. "I don't know," said Jim's mom. "Staying up all night could make for some grumpy monkeys." And then the games began. Termite fishing, flea picking, bobbing for mangoes, scary stories. "It was a dark and stormy night," said Jim. Tim trembled. "Your brother's scared," said Jim's mom. "Why not tell a happy story instead?" Midnight feast. "Hey, you have to share the jungle punch." "But you didn't share the bananas." I love the illustrations in this book. Stay up all night. "It's really dark," said Tim, looking around. "Because it's night," snapped Jim. "Are you grumpy?" asked Tim. "No," said Jim. Just then they heard a noise. "Rah!" "Thunder!" shouted Tim, and his eyes went wide. "Oh no, now it's dark and stormy." "Don't worry," said Jim. "It's just Norman snoring. He does a lot of funny snores." Sometimes it sounds like a rah, 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 and sometimes it sounds like a puff, 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 puff. Tim laughed. Other times it's like ha ha wee, ha ha wee. Jim and Tim laughed and laughed all night long. As the sun came up, Tim fell asleep. Good idea, little brother, said Jim as he tucked him and lay down. And just as he was about to close his eyes... Good morning, my monkey, said Jim's mom. Mom, shouted Jim, we're not monkeys, we're apes. I prefer gorilla, but yeah, ape works, said Norman. Oh, Jim, I told you staying up all night would make you grumpy, said Jim's mom, ruffling his fur. I'm not. You'll always be my grumpy monkey, whispered Jim's mom.